Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and let me share with you this gorgeous light fixture from Ken and Ricky. Now, I really love the solid wood exterior that frames the black metal frame. It exudes a farmhouse aesthetic that I really enjoy. Now, the height is adjustable, which is great because we were able to shorten it to fit our dining area. Now, while it doesn't come with any light bulbs, any light bulb with a medium base will fit in the fixture like the ones we put in. I really do love just how it looks and how it has upgraded the dining space. It's simple, but really pleasing to look at. If you are looking for a new lighting fixture, I really recommend this one from Ken and Ricky. So now try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.